Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the HomePod Mini and placing your unlocked iPhone or iPad close to it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. The Home app will detect the device automatically. Once the pulsing white light appears, hold the iPhone within 1 to 2 feet and watch for the setup card to appear. You'll be prompted to tap Continue. Do that. This initial exchange uses proximity and encrypted pairing to verify you control the iOS device. Once you tap Continue, the setup asks you to assign a room and confirm Apple ID sign in so preferences sync via iCloud. You should choose whether to enable personal requests. This controls access to messages and reminders. Next, pick Siri language and voice and allow location services for contextual responses like weather. Make sure the HomePod is on the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. The device copies your network credentials during setup, so it can join automatically without entering a password. After configuration, wait for the Home app to report setup complete, and then test Siri with a simple command and AirPlay from music. If the HomePod doesn't appear during setup, unplug it for 10 seconds and plug it back in to restart hardware and retry. This clears transient network handshake issues. If problems persist, reset the HomePod by pressing the top 3 times until you hear a tone, then set up again. These steps resolve most pairing and account sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.